Enzymes Set 1 Part 2 Future Cadet Academy FCA Updates Enzyme Topic Wise Quiz Set 2 MCQs Biology Booster Topic Enzymes Total MCQs 13 to 25 Design for MDCAT and entry test preparation Original style by FCA format Question number 13 Ribozymes consist of protein only, RNA plus protein, only RNA, RNA plus DNA. Correct answer is only RNA. Question number 14. Which enzymes catalyzes redox reaction? Lyses, oxidoreductase, peptidase, transferase. Oxidoreductase. Question number 15. Which enzymes rearrange atom without changing molecular weight? Ligase, option B, isomerase, option C, hydrolase, option D, oxidase. Correct answer is isomerase. Question number 16. Enzymes are made up of sugar, amino acid, inorganic salts, या fatty acid. Correct answer is amino acid. Question number 17. Raw material for coenzymes is option A vitamins, option B metals, option C protein, option D carbohydrates. Correct answer is vitamins. What happens when an enzyme is added? Rate decreases, rate increases, reaction reverse, no effect. Correct answer is rate increase. What does induced fit hypothesis state? Option A shape remain fixed, shape change without substrate, shape changes when substrate bends, shape changes after the product forms. Correct answer is shape changes when substrate bends. Question number 20. Which enzyme digest albumin under alkaline condition? Option A catalase, option B pepsin, option C trypsin, option D lipase. Correct answer is trypsin. Which type of bond joins enzymes and substrate? Ionic bond, hydrogen bond, covalent bond, या hydrophobic bond? Correct answer is ionic bond. Non-competitive inhibitors bind at active site, similar site, different site, destroy enzyme shape. Correct answer is different site. What is the optimum pH for pepsin? Option A 6.8, option B 4.5, option C 5.5, option D 1.5. Correct answer is 1.5. Which enzyme digests protein? Amylase, protease, nuclease, या lipase? Correct answer is protease. If a gene has 903 nucleotides, how many amino acids will form, including stop codon? Option A 301, option B 300, option C 902, option D 299. Correct answer is 300.